What's going on, fellas? Welcome back. Today I have a quick and easy post-workout meal for you guys. This meal contains 50 grams of protein and it only takes about a minute or two to prepare, which is the most wonderful thing, especially post-workout. You just put in a lot of work. Maybe you don't feel like eating or preparing a meal. This is gonna be perfect for you. So let's take a look at the 3 ingredients here and I'll show you guys how it's done. What you're looking at here is 50 grams of protein. So you might be wondering, how is this 50 grams of protein? So what we have here is 250 grams of 2% Greek yogurt. So that covers 24 grams of protein. What we have here is 140 grams of blueberries. This only has a gram of protein, but we'll explain why this is valuable for post-workout in a second here. Number 3 is this granola. This is 108 grams of granola, and this has 24 grams of protein in it, just from granola. And this is from Vector. Vector, 24 grams of protein per serving, chocolate flavored. The benefit of all of this is we're getting a high quality source of protein from this Greek yogurt for post-workout, as well as some fast acting carbs to replenish the glycogen for post-workout, coming from the blueberries and the granola. Mix this all together and you have 736 calories, 95 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, 49 grams, of protein, just from this. Super simple, super easy, 50 grams of protein, I cannot believe it. Make sure you guys go get yourself some of this Vector protein granola. It's only like $5 at Walmart and you get 311 grams, so about 3 of these servings. Super good, I highly recommend this. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, I appreciate you all. If you guys want some more quick and easy high protein meals that you can eat for post-workout, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to make some more of these. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.